Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Express, an easy guide for everyone. Adobe Express is a fantastic online design tool that empowers you to create amazing visual content without needing any prior design experience. Whether you're looking to make eye-catching social media posts, professional flyers, or engaging videos, this platform has you covered. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making the creative process enjoyable and efficient for individuals and businesses alike. Let's dive in and see how simple it is to bring your ideas to life. Getting started with Adobe Express is incredibly straightforward. Once you log in, you'll find a clean and intuitive interface that makes navigation a breeze. The real magic begins with its extensive library of professional templates. You can choose from thousands of pre-designed layouts for virtually any project, from Instagram stories to business cards. These templates are a fantastic starting point, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. Simply select a template that catches your eye, and you're ready to begin customizing it to fit your specific needs and vision. Now for the fun part, personalizing your designs. Adobe Express offers robust customization options that allow you to truly make each creation your own. You can easily change text, swap out images, and adjust colors to perfectly align with your brand or personal style. The platform provides access to a rich collection of free photos, icons, and other design assets, so you'll never be short on creative elements. With its simple drag-and-drop functionality, editing is effortless, enabling you to experiment and refine your projects with ease until they look exactly how you envisioned them. Once your design is perfect, sharing your masterpiece is just as easy. Adobe Express allows you to download your creations in various formats, such as JPEG, PNG, or PDF, making them suitable for different platforms and uses. You can also share your projects directly to popular social media channels with just a few clicks, or generate a shareable link to send to colleagues or friends. For team projects, the collaboration feature lets you invite others to edit your designs, fostering seamless teamwork. It's designed to ensure your amazing work gets seen by the right audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.